now I'm gonna...
What up guys, Life.ATV here, and kind of got myself in a little predicament. As you can see the raptors right there. I'm on my way from my house to Kody's, which is just a straight gravel road about 5 miles that I usually just take in the Raptor. Well, anyway, up there it says road closed, so, and I really don't want to take tar all the way there because that's risky, because that's illegal here in Minnesota. So Cold's Mountain Rescue Mission gonna come pick me up in the Chevron. All right, guys. I'll see you when he gets here. Rescue has arrived.
Get to the rescue. No, I took those. I took them back. A long time ago. What? Did you fucking snag them back, you bastard? I remember snagging them out of the garage one time, though. Oh, maybe I forgot them.
She said I'm insane, I might blow my brain out. Hey, Johnny on the brain out. Please, Johnny, make it go away. I'm committed, not addicted, but it keep controlling me. Out of pain, I can feel it, I swear that it's slowing me. Yeah, I don't really care if you cry.
Fuck it, dude.
Saw a cop?
What's sick?
Didn't look to say he saw a cop?
Yeah, I don't know where he's in.
Fuck it, we'll find.
We'll just get off on the first gravel.
Yeah. Go left.
Sketchy. Straight or what?
No, we're supposed to go right.
Huh?
We're supposed to go right here.
Yeah. This is close through traffic though.
Let's turn around.
Huh?
Turn around. Big Blue? Why, buddy? Why, pal? Why, Big Blue? Damn it, boy. Damn it.
Cody, you want to give him the rundown what's happening?
Bearings are shot.
Just want to give it a roll. There it is. Cody's bearing.
The axle bearing.
Axle bearing.
It's hot.
God, guys, we're a long way from home.
It's hot too, it's for sure.
But there's nothing you can do about it, you know what I mean?
I know.
Look, the Raptors are way over there,
I don't
cause
know if I want to fucking... You might need to go make the rescue mission with the truck, dog.
yeah, dude. Right gay or what?
I'll just wait here.
Do y'all know how to get home? You think if you park it along the side and take the key with you?
Could.
You think not even like in first gear? Don't sound bad in first. When you're going fast, it sounded pretty bad.
Fuck that, I'm not gonna...
Money pit, right, buddy? Alright, you ride it hard though, buddy. We're just riding. We're at least, what do you think, 10 miles from home? Yeah, but it's winding. It ain't no straight shot. So what's the plan?
Going slow home.
Going slow home. Alright, guys. Check back on you on GoPro mode. You take your tires off, I bet it will just fall apart.
I guarantee it. I can already see a little bit of the fucking thing. Don't trust it.
I don't think it's a good idea to drive it home, to be honest with you.
No, me neither.
I'm afraid you might fuck up your sprocket or something.
Fuck up my sprocket and then have them replace their entire fucking axle.
I'll let you down, buddy. These goggles are fire. If I get pulled over, I'll be like a double whammy. I'll let you down, buddy. Hey, your keys in your truck, bud? Maybe your father wants to come with. You got the boy!
I don't really care if you cry. I already should've never lied. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid of die. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Phantom, that's all that is.
There he goes. There goes Danny. Alright, well, you guys right there, there's obviously the problem. The axle bearing. This one is messed up too. But, yeah, I didn't feel like driving her home. I didn't want to make anything worse. So, wait here until Danny gets back. Hopefully he hurries because I don't want to be sitting here all goddamn day. So, yeah. It sucks.
Every time that you leave your spot, your girlfriend call me like, come on over. I like the way that she treat me, gon' leave you, won't leave me, I call it that Casanova. She said I'm insane, I might blow my brain out. Hey, Johnny on the brain out.
Now I'm gonna.
Your dad was gone, dude, so I had to go get Lukey in your truck. Well, guys, we got Kody in the quad back.
Get to buy a scrambler. Fucker went down there and back so many times. That fucker fell out. Good.
Insurance claim.
Yep.